Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix earphones or headphones that are not working on Windows 11. First, make sure your headphones are properly connected. Unplug them and plug them back in securely. If you're using a USB headset, try a different USB port. Also, test the headphones on another device to make sure they work. Next, check that Windows is using the correct audio output device. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your headphones from the list. Then play some audio to see if the issue is fixed. If there's still no sound, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, then Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and click Run next to playing audio. Follow the instructions on your screen. Another common fix is updating the audio driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, right-click your audio device, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, make sure Bluetooth is enabled and the headphones are connected. You can also remove the device and pair it again. Finally, restart your computer after making these changes and test your headphones once more. That's it. One of these solutions should fix earphones or headphones not working on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials.